GoPro, a reputed brand known for its action cameras, is struggling to withstand the current changes in the market. The new installment to their lineup, the GoPro Hero 13, is reported to be released in September this year. The predecessor models of this series couldn't meet the expectations due to a lack of upgrades. Can the upcoming models save the brand from falling? In today's video, we will discuss the possible specs and features of the Hero 13 along with the future of GoPro. So, without any further delay, let's start the video. The GoPro Hero 13 might feature a vlog-friendly flip-up screen, enhancing shot composition for content creators. While the front color screen introduced in the Hero 9 Black was a step forward, a larger, adjustable display with a more suitable aspect ratio could be game-changing. An ultra-bright OLED panel of around 2.3 inches could significantly improve visibility in various lighting conditions. We can also anticipate a new version of the GoPro's screen mod that provides an add-on vlog screen. The GoPro Hero 13 is expected to feature a new GP3 processor, potentially utilizing more efficient Cortex A510 or A520 cores. This upgrade from the current 10nm GP2 chip to a possible 3nm architecture could enhance power efficiency and heat management. We can also expect a larger sensor, moving beyond the 1/1.9-inch Sony IMX677L used since the GoPro Hero 11. While an 8K capable sensor is very much unlikely yet, a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor could match competitors like DJI and Insta360, improving low light performance and dynamic range. The GoPro Hero 13 is rumored to be capable of recording videos at 60 FPS along with good quality stills. It may reintroduce GPS functionality with improved power management to address user demands. Reports mention that the camera will include GoPro's latest version of the hypersmooth image stabilization technology. A key focus could be enhancing low light performance, possibly utilizing Sony's new LYTIA sensor technology with a dual-layer design for improved sensitivity. The Hero 13 may need to match or surpass competitors like Insta360's Ace Pro in night footage quality by employing advanced AI-driven image processing. While 8K video capability is possible, it may not be a priority. It is speculated that the camera will use new shooting modes for improved time-lapse and low-light performance. The upcoming Hero 13 is said to offer a significant 20% increase in battery life over its predecessor. This improvement comes from a more efficient battery and an advanced power management system. Unlike the Hero 12's approach of reducing bitrates, the Hero 13 likely achieves this through optimized hardware and software, particularly in high-demand settings. Further gains may be possible through additional software tweaks, as suggested by experts. The GoPro Hero 13 may see a significant price increase, possibly $450, a slight rise from the Hero 12's $300 starting price. While no official release date has been announced, based on GoPro's typical launch schedule, the new model is expected to debut around September this year, keeping up with the brand's annual release pattern. GoPro's trajectory has been worrying, with a $75 million operational loss last year highlighting the company's struggles. The Hero 13 represents a critical juncture for GoPro to reclaim its market position and innovate beyond its competitors. The brand's failure to bring adequate innovations and upgrades along with the failure to adapt to changes in the growing market has left it vulnerable. Meanwhile, their competitor, DJI's Osmo Action series offers superior specifications like a larger image sensor and strong build quality, making it more difficult for GoPro to survive. Though nothing is officially confirmed, the rumored upgrades in the Hero 13 could be GoPro's last effort to reclaim market leadership in the growing action camera market. Do you think the upcoming camera can save GoPro's reputation? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.